Good day everyone, I am Shana Maikapi Aguilar and today I am going to discuss to you the terminal values. So in the field of sociology, while studying the relationships humans have with each other and how they behave in groups, one invariable question arises. What motivates a person to do what they do? The most simplistic answer to this question is that humans tend to do what is important for them. In other words, they are motivated by what they value. So, a value is a behavior that is socially acceptable and is defined by social and cultural goals and boundaries. It is the standard behavior that is expected in social interaction. Depending on the time frame, values can be distinguished in two categories. First, we have the behavior that is desired now or the instrumental value, and second is the desired behavior in the long run, the end goals that individuals hold for themselves and society, or the terminal values. So we can better understand and appreciate the difference between the terminal and instrumental values by comparing them as below. So the terminal values, these are the end goals or the desired state of existence. And the instrumental values, these are the specific behaviors that one finds personally and socially acceptable. So in terminal values, their nature lies in the future, while instrumental values, their nature lies in the present. So the terminal values, they guide the instrumental values, while the instrumental values are the modes of conduct to achieve the terminal values. So within a group, terminal values are the same, and within a group, instrumental values might differ. So in terminal values for an individual, these tend to remain the same over a while in the instrumental values for an individual, this might change over a while. So the examples of the terminal values are happiness, sense of accomplishment, and a comfortable life. And the examples of instrumental values is being ambitious, cheerful, clean, forgiving, polite, responsible. As we seen from the above comparison, both terminal and instrumental values form a part of the value system that individuals hold for themselves and society. So both are culturally defined and govern the behavior and the state of existence that is socially acceptable. The instrumental values help achieve the terminal values. And there was a Polish American social psychologist who wanted to understand the value system that exists within humans. After his extensive study and research, he published a book titled The Nature of Human Values in the year 1973, in which he carefully described the concept of value, its types, and the way the human value system governs their motivation in life choices. And he is Melton Rockich. So according to Rockich, value is defined as enduring belief. These beliefs define the mode of conduct and the end state of existence that an individual might desire to achieve. He believed that a person holds values for themselves and the society they live in, and that these two can be the same or different. For example, a person might believe that it is essential to forgive as an individual. However, the same person might also believe that society shouldn't be very forgiving towards delinquent behavior. So Rockich also categorized values that a person might hold in the following two types: the specific modes of conduct or the instrumental values, and the desired end state of existence or the terminal values. So according to Melton Rockich, terminal values are the desired state of existence that a person strives to achieve in their lifetime. These values are the ones that guide how an individual behaves in a social setting. They are the motivation for a person's action and form an umbrella that overarches above and that influences an individual's specific character and personality traits. So, Rockich developed a list of 18 terminal values. Number 1 is a world at peace, free of war and conflict. Number 2 is family security, taking care of loved ones. 3. Freedom, independence, or free choice. 4. Equality, brotherhood, equal opportunity for all. Number 5, self-respect or self-esteem. Number 6 is happiness or contentedness. 7, wisdom, a mature understanding of life. 8, national security, protection from attack. 9, salvation, save or eternal life. 10, true friendship or close companionship. 11, a sense of accomplishment or a lasting contribution. 12, inner harmony or freedom from inner conflict. 13, a comfortable life or a prosperous life. 14, a mature love or sexual and spiritual intimacy. 15, a world of beauty or beauty of nature and the arts. 16 is pleasure or an enjoyable leisurely life. 17 is a social recognition or respect, admiration. And lastly, an exciting life or a stimulating or active life. So happiness, a person may want to be happy. That might be the ultimate goal that they would want to achieve. To attain this state of being, a person would consciously make efforts to be more cheerful, forgiving, and loving. Peace. World peace and peace of the inner self might be the end goals of an individual might want to achieve. This value would be the guiding light influencing how individuals conduct themselves to attain their terminal value. They would thus be motivated to be more broad-minded, forgiving, intellectual, responsible, and self-controlled so that they attain inner peace and can spread the message of peace all around themselves. An exciting life. A person may want to have an active life and constantly stimulate their senses. They might be the state of existence they desire to achieve and to attain this terminal value. This person might exhibit values of being ambitious, broad-minded, capable, courageous, and independent. So again, the terminal value means is the desired state of existence that a person want to achieve in their life. This value reflects what the individual wants to achieve as the goal of their lives. So the example of the terminal value would be a freedom, wherein a person would behave in a way so that his perceived freedom is enhanced and maintained in the long run.